students, welcome back. So today in this video we will learn part 4 of chapter 3 Tools of Word 2016. Okay, so I hope you all have revised the previous part of this chapter. Okay, so let's get started. At the very first of this video, let's summarize that what we have learned in character formatting of font group. Okay, we have learned about bold, italics, underline, font size, font color. Okay, in the previous video of part 3. So in this video we learn about the character formatting font group, these three options. Okay, first one is text highlighting color, means when we select any text and use this option, then it makes the selected text highlighted with the selected color. Okay, now we will see increase font size or decrease font size, means it makes font size one step big and one step decrease step by step. Okay, by using these two options. This is for increasing and this is for decreasing. Now we see subscript and superscript. Okay, so text can be written in subscript or superscript. Like here you see 2 is written in X2. This is subscript, X2, this is superscript. Okay, so let's see it in practical that how we will do. Okay, so let's see also increase font size. Shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus greater than. Okay, and decrease font size shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus less than. Okay, so let's do it in practical. Okay, now we come on our Word document where I type some words or paragraphs on which I apply formatting one by one. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, we see text highlighting color, which I have tell you. Suppose I select this specific text and apply this color from our options. Okay, we can apply any random color. Suppose I select yellow. Okay, so our text get highlighted with yellow color. Okay, now next one we see increase or decrease font size. So what are increasing and decreasing of font size? Yes, so let's see. When I select this specific text and press this key, which is increase font size, then it makes our text one size big. Okay, this is increase font size. We can also decrease our font size by using this specific option of decrease font size. So let's see, I have pressed this and this make our font size very small. Okay, you can see here this is decrease font size. Now we also do it with shortcut key of keyboard. So let's see, I have select this and I don't go on this option. I simply press Control plus Shift plus greater than by my keyboard. You can also do. Okay, so it makes our font size one step big, like here. Okay, now next one we see decrease font size. Without going here, choosing this option, I simply press Control plus Shift plus less than to make the font size small. Okay, yes. So now next one we see superscript and subscript. What is superscript and subscript? Suppose I write here 2 words of S2O. This is subscript and this is superscript. Okay, we can select any random words. Suppose I type here 2. Okay, yes, to see here I have typed. We can simply select this 2 and select this option of subscript. So it makes our text small and equal to H at the bottom line. Okay, so suppose I select it here Yes. Suppose I type here S2O and then make this to superscript by pressing this option. Okay. So this is superscript and this is subscript option. Okay. I hope you all will understand about these formatting tools. Now next one we see paragraph formatting in paragraph group. Okay. So what is paragraph formatting? Yes, which formatting affects the formatting or design of entire paragraph which we written in Word document. This is called paragraph formatting. Okay. So in paragraph formatting, alignment, line spacing and paragraph spacing are included. Okay. So most of these features are in paragraph group of home tab. Okay. So let's see what are alignment. Firstly, yes, alignment is the place where we have to write our data and which margin we have to choose for text on a page. Okay. So alignment is of two kinds. Which kind? Horizontal and vertical alignment. Okay. This is horizontal alignment which makes our text right, center, left, right, center, justify, these all. Okay. So let's see horizontal alignment. It refers to the placement of text, means it select our text position that where we have to put it according to page margins. Okay. There are 4 types of alignment in paragraph formatting are left, right, center and justify. So what are the keyboard shortcut key for these? Yes, we use Control plus L, Control plus L for left, Control plus R for right, Control plus E for center, Control plus J for justify. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. Okay, we again come on our Word document where we see some texts are written. I simply apply the formatting one by one. Okay, so when I press this, by default our alignment is left in Word document. Okay, so this is our left alignment and let's see what are our center alignment. When I select this and press this button of center, then it makes our document in center from the page. Okay, so now next one we see this is right alignment. Okay, here we apply right alignment, which is this align right. Okay, this is align right, means our text start writing from the right side. Okay, whatever text we written here, this all written by the right side. Okay, in center when we write hello world, then it makes our text align. See this is center. Okay, now next one we see justify. What is justify? Means when we select any document text, then computer understand itself that what is a particular or appropriate for a document, then it is called justify. Okay. Okay, now next one we see vertical alignment, and in this we can set the margins from top bottom of the document and page. Okay, and we can set all the settings of top, bottom, center and justify from this dialog box of page setup. Okay, so as I told you, if you have to set the horizontal alignment, you have to go in the paragraph group of home tab, and from there you can set the horizontal alignment. Okay, next one we see vertical alignment, and this can be done by this dialog box. So let's see how we will do. Yes, okay, so we come on Word document, and where we see we have to come at the layout tab, and from here we have to simply use this option from the page setup dialog box. Okay, this little arrow we have to click. Now we can set different type of margins of page from here. Okay, and thus the same way our document will look like. Okay, we can set any customized size from here, then press enter. Then we can see the difference between the margins of our page, that our page is going to be very large. Okay, so this is all about the vertical alignment. Okay, I hope you all understand about this video tutorial. Thank you.